Hey, my name's Zack over here at Crown Toyota in Lawrence, Kansas. This is the brand new 2021 Toyota Sienna. It's been redesigned. This model here is the XLE in blueprint with a gray interior. Now this is a hybrid model. They're all hybrid now, and so they will all get 36 miles to the gallon. If you look inside here, they've redesigned the interior. And they've put a bridge middle console in there with storage underneath. And in the back, they have hands-free second row door. So you just kick underneath, and it opens up right for you there. These seats also have extended range, so you can slide them all the way back or all the way front. One touch to close. And if you check out the back, these seats stow away, so if you have them up, you have a little bit of extra room back here, or stow them down like that. So feel free to come out. We've got plenty of Siennas here, and as for me, my name's Zack.